According to Raccobardo, the mobilization of the temporomandibular joints requires a relaxed tongue lying loosely on the palate at the point of rest. The patient should maintain this position throughout the procedure, but may close the mouth while not biting. Steady breathing reinforces post-isometric relaxation. While inhaling, please flex the toes towards the body, hold your breath, and relax the toes while exhaling. Inhale again, flex the toes towards the body, hold your breath, and breathe out. The patient can carry out treatment of the temporomandibular joints at home. To do so, the patient needs to place both hands either side of the jaw and pull towards the chin. Pressure is increased during inhalation. Temporomandibular joints treatment can be performed by the patient in the morning in bed and also in the evening in bed, usually for about 15 to 20 respiratory cycles. To do so, the tongue must be at a relaxed position on the palate, lips closed and the teeth apart. The patient uses her hands to apply some pressure to the jaw, pulling towards the chin, increasing pressure during inhalation. During inhalation, the toes are flexed towards the body. The patient holds her breath and releases the toes while exhaling. During inhalation, while masticatory muscles are relaxed, pressure can be slightly increased on the jaw.